and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Lema Dental Clinic in Istanbul, Turkey. If you've been diagnosed with a root canal infection or are concerned about one, you probably have a lot of questions. In today's video, we'll explain everything you need to know about the root canal infection and also the treatment process, so you can understand why it's so important and how we can help you through it at Lema Dental Clinic. Now let's see what is a root canal infection. First, let's talk about what a root canal infection is. A root canal infection occurs when the soft tissue inside your tooth, known as the pulp, becomes infected, usually due to the deep decay, a crack in the tooth, or repeated dental procedures on the tooth. The pulp contains nerves and blood vessels, and when it gets infected, it can cause severe pain, swelling, and even an abscess. If left untreated, the infection can spread and lead to more serious complications. Now let's go and talk about the common symptoms of a root canal infection. How do you know if you have a root canal infection? Well, the common symptoms include severe tooth pain, especially when chewing or applying pressure. Another factor is the sensitivity to hot and cold, even after the stimulus is removed. Swelling and tenderness around the affected tooth or in the gums is also another factor. Discoloration of the tooth, which may become darker due to the infection. Another symptom can be a persistent bad breath or a bad taste in the mouth. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's important to visit your dentist as soon as possible to prevent the infection from worsening. Now let's dive into the root canal treatment process. The goal of a root canal is to remove the infected pulp, clean the area, and seal it to prevent further infection. Here's what the treatment typically involves. Step 1. Diagnosis. Your dentist will perform a thorough examination, including x-rays, to determine the extent of the infection and whether a root canal is necessary. Step 2. Anesthesia. Local anesthesia is administered to numb the area and ensure you're comfortable during the procedure. Step 3. Removal of the infected tissue. The dentist will make a small opening in the top of the tooth to access the pulp and remove the infected tissue. Step 4. Cleaning and shaping. Once the infected pulp is removed, the area is thoroughly cleaned and shaped to prepare for filling. Step 5. Sealing the tooth. The cleaned space is filled with a biocompatible material called gutta percha, and the opening is sealed. Step 6. Final restoration. After the root canal is complete, the tooth will need to be restored with a filling or a crown to protect it from further damage and restore its function. Now let's talk about the aftercare and recovery process. After your root canal treatment, it's normal to experience some mild discomfort or swelling for a few days. Your dentist will likely recommend over-the-counter pain relievers and may prescribe antibiotics if there is an infection present. It's important to avoid chewing on the treated tooth until it's fully restored with a crown or a filling to prevent any further damage. Additionally, follow up with your dentist for any necessary adjustments and to ensure the tooth is healing properly. Now let's see why root canal treatment is essential. You may be wondering, why not just extract the tooth if it's infected? The answer is simple. Preserving your natural tooth is always the best option. A root canal allows you to keep your tooth, restore its function, and avoid the need for more expensive and extensive treatments like implants or bridges. With proper care, a tooth that has had a root canal can last for many years, helping you maintain your overall oral health and bite function. Now, if you're experiencing symptoms of a root canal infection or think you might need treatment, don't wait. Visit your dentist as soon as possible. As Lema Dental Clinic, we're here to help you restore your smile and relieve any pain caused by root canal infections. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and leave any comments in the comment section below. Thank you for watching this video, and we're looking forward to see you here at Lema Dental Clinic. Bye!